In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Google Drive files with password new update. By the end, you'll know a simple, reliable way to protect a file in your drive by placing it inside a password-protected zip archive and uploading that secure version. First, open Google Drive and locate the file you want to protect. If your file is already on your computer, great. Just make sure you know where it's saved. If it only lives in Drive, download a copy to your computer so you can work with it locally. The key idea here is that Drive itself doesn't add passwords to files, so we're going to secure the file before it goes back into Drive. Next, use WinRAR or a similar archiving tool to create a zip with a password. Right-click the file on your computer and choose the option to add it to an archive. In the archive settings, set the format to zip so it's widely compatible. Look for the password or encryption button, then enter a strong password you can remember. If your tool offers encryption options, choose AES 256 for better security and enable encrypt file names if available so even the contents list stays hidden. Confirm the password, then create the archive. You'll end up with a new .zip file that won't open without the password. After that, switch back to Google Drive in your browser. You're going to upload the newly protected zip file so it's safely stored and easy to share. Click the New button in the top left corner of Drive. This opens the menu where you add items to your drive. Choose File Upload, then select the password-protected zip you just created. Once the upload finishes, that version in Drive is the one you'll share. Anyone you share it with will need the password to open it. Keep in mind that Google Drive can't preview encrypted zips, so recipients will download the file and enter the password on their computer to access the contents. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Use a strong, unique password. Avoid common words and combine letters, numbers, and symbols. Store the password in a secure place and don't send it in the same message as the shared link. If you ever lose the password, it can't be recovered, so keep it safe. You can repeat this process for multiple files or even whole folders by archiving the folder into a single password-protected zip. That's it. Locate your file, zip it with a password, return to Drive, and upload the protected version. Thanks for watching and happy securing your files.